Tesla is making significant changes in the coming months, with U.S. lease prices increasing for the Model 3 and Model Y from September 21st, and the $7,500 federal EV tax credit set to expire at the end of September due to recent legislative changes. Customers must lock in current lease rates and take delivery before September 30 to qualify for existing incentives, as industry analysts warn of a sharp decline in electric vehicle market share once the tax credit ends. In response to these changing market dynamics, Tesla is also introducing new promotions, such as a $1,000 discount for military personnel and students, and trial features like full self-driving, supervised, while Lucid counters by offering their own $7,500 lease credit. Meanwhile, Tesla is pushing forward with its autonomous driving ambitions, announcing plans to remove safety drivers from its Robotaxi fleet by the end of 2025 and aiming to have these autonomous vehicles operating for half of the U.S. population, pending regulatory approval. In a bold move, Tesla's Robotaxi app is now open to the general public in Austin, marking a major step in the company's expansion of autonomous ride-hailing services. These advancements are aligned with Tesla's latest roadmap, Master Plan Part 4, which envisions an era of sustainable abundance and the elimination of scarcity across mobility, energy, and robotics, emphasizing AI integration in physical products. The new master plan projects that Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot expected to begin production in 2025, could account for 80% of the company's value by revolutionizing labor and automation. Tesla's prior master plans have set ambitious yet often transformative targets, ranging from mainstreaming electric cars to expanding into solar energy and integrated battery storage, with some goals still in development. Despite recent stock volatility and a bearish investor outlook, Tesla continues to innovate, training Optimus using advanced visual data and increasing automation efforts within its factories. As Tesla pursues its goal of reshaping the future through sustainable energy and automation, the landscape for electric vehicles and robotics is set to evolve rapidly. Will you be part of this electric and autonomous revolution?